Guys, welcome back to my tutorial. Today I am going to show you how to use database inside Python. Okay, let's get started. At first, in the last video I just created two database, one second data and the second one is first data. Okay, first one is first data and second one is second data. In this tutorial I am going to create some table inside my database, and it will be, my database name will be second data. Okay, and the functions will be same: my cursor, my db.cursor, and then my cursor.execute. Here you should type the you should type the MySQL code. Okay, here I am going to create some table. Okay, create. Okay, and then table. I am going to create a table name called customers, and then first one will be name and it will be varchar, and I will give length of 255, and I will also name address. Okay, ADDRESS. Okay, and it will also var characters. Okay, varchar, and then also give length of 255, and then I am going to end this. Okay, everything is okay, and this, and double inverted comma close, and the braces will be closed. Okay, and then I'm going to save this and run module. UOL while scanning. Okay, what's wrong? Something is wrong with the code. Let me check this. My cursor. Let's make it big. Okay. Oh, this thing is wrong. Okay, Control S, and then I am going to run module. Okay, I am just going to check it in database. Okay, inside second data I am going to open. Now you can see there is a table called customers, and I am going to open it. Okay, first one will be name and second one will be address, as I gave inside the Python. Okay, two rows and columns are two columns are created. Okay, to put values inside the tables, I can use it as I can use this SQL command line. Okay, I will just show you how to use it. Okay, before showing it, we will just execute it in here only. Okay, and I will press. Okay, first I am going to full screen it, and then I am going to press enter, and then here I will create a for loop for x in, okay, for x in my cursor. Okay, oh, why this happens always to me, my cursor. Okay, and then I'm going to print x, Control S, and then I'm going to run this. Okay, the table is already created. Okay, I am going to erase this. I don't need this. Control S, run, run module. Nothing is printed because I should give the SQL things. Okay, here inside I should mention show tables because it should show table inside second data. Okay, should be in caps, show tables, control S, F5. Okay, inside the second data there is a table called customers and it is shown here. Okay, and this is what we need. And in the next tutorial I'm going to tell you how to insert values inside the customer table. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Thank you.